Hello, am I audible to all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am talking about how we can conduct our labs in virtual labs, which is built by IIT. So this is the you can search the IIT V Lab from the Google, and you can see this is the URL, that is vlab.co.in. When you enter this website, okay, you can this is the website by the Ministry of Education. Okay, so you just in the bottom of this page, you can clearly see various labs are there. These all are virtual labs. Okay. Okay, so if we can go electrical virtual lab, this is the electrical virtual lab section. So in this section you can clearly see many IIT, many initiative IIT are build their virtual lab and put it on public domain. And you can clearly see in the bottom, you can clearly see electrical machine lab IIT Roorkee. If you go about this, if you go to the IIT Roorkee virtual lab, then you can clearly see this is the IIT Roorkee virtual lab page, and you can clearly see in the left hand side the list of experiment. If I am clicking the list of experiment, then you can see this is the virtual lab. Okay, this is the virtual lab, all the virtual lab list which is present in the IIT Roorkee. And also if we go to some experiment like to study the load characteristic of DC shunt generator, or there are various type of experiment is there. So determination of equivalent circuit is there, transformer is there. If we go to the experiment number 6, then you can clearly see in the left hand side all the necessary things which is already there, like theory is there. Okay, theory is there, simulation is there. Okay, this is the simulation page. I think all of you can clearly see this is the simulation page. In the simulation page, we can virtually conduct this particular experiment. The name of the experiment: determination of transformer equivalent circuit. Okay, so in this page, we can connect all the instrument like this. Okay, and connect all the instrument. So in this way, basically in this way, we can perform any lab conduct in the virtually. And not only that, but we have also our YouTube channels. Like this particular lab is going to conduct by myself Saptarshi Sarkar, and also our HOD sir Pankaj Sarkar sir is there. We combinedly conduct this lab, and also we have our YouTube channels. In our YouTube channels, we conduct every lab, and upload that particular lab video in our YouTube channel, so that student can easily go through if student have any doubt from any particular lab, so that he or she can go to our YouTube channel, and he or she can search the particular lab and clear his or her doubt. Okay, so now we go to see our YouTube channels where we already conduct many labs. Okay. like this lab. Okay, I think you can clearly see the name of the lab is speed control of three-phase 12-phase induction motor by voltage control method. We already record this. We already conduct and record this lab video and upload it on our YouTube channel. Okay, if I open this particular lab, or you may not get the sound, you may not get the sound here because there is some problem with my laptop speaker, but you can when you can go through your this particular channel, search your on the mobile or your laptop, then you can clearly the voice is clearly audible there. Okay, you can clearly see. So hello, hello. Okay, so I think you, hello, please mute yourself. Okay, so in that way we also contact our in this way we contact our labs. We contact our labs in the Zoom meeting, and we upload the recorded version of this particular experiment on our YouTube channel, so you guys can easily access all the things if you have any doubt. And now from the next day, we will start our from the next day we will start our experiment. Okay, so today our respected HOD sir with us, so if HOD sir will tell us something. Hello sir, are you there?
Yes, I am there. Am I audible?
Yes sir, yes sir, you are audible. Yes sir.
Okay.
Okay sir.
So thank you, Saptarshi sir, for demonstrating the basics, laws, rules and regulations, and the syllabus, and the process by which we will continue the labs of basic electrical engineering. Thank you for sharing with students. So I would like to say something that this lab will be for EC and CSC in this first semester. Isn't okay? So Saptarshi sir, you please.
Hello sir, your voice is not coming. Hello. Hello sir, your voice is not clear. I hello sir, your voice is not
Hey, am I
clear.
audible?
Yes sir,
Am I
yes sir,
audible?
you are
Am
audible.
I
Yes sir.
audible?
Yes sir.
Okay, okay. So actually I have a phone call, so I disconnect from here. So you please, Saptarshi sir, please track the attendance in a proper way and please monitor whether all the students are performing the lab or not. And if you got any students, those who are not, those who are in the list of the student and they are not performing the lab, so instruct them that the lab is mandatory. So every student should be present in the lab, and this will be present in properly. Okay. And from the virtue of lab, from the view of lab that we will conduct in basic electrical, we, as Saptarshi sir told, that we will continue the lab in online mode. In online mode, we will do the labs in the virtual mode, because we have different experiments which are being uploaded in YouTube. We can do from there also, or we will do it in online mode. And in addition to that, we have a collaboration with various IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, and they are virtual. We are collaborated with various IITs from the view of virtual lab. So we can do several experiments from their domain also, because there are several virtual lab basic electrical experiment, I think, there in the domain. So if there any experiment in their domain, so we can perform that experiment by this online mode only. Okay. So hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Actually, my network is not strong today. It is disconnected several times. So we will start the lab from the next week. Okay. So you please share the syllabus with the students and please share the manual and create a Google Classroom of basic electrical and instruct every student to regularly do the experiment in a proper way. And after performing the experiment, they should submit that in the respective Google Classroom. Okay. And please track the attendance in a proper way. Those who are not performing the lab properly, don't allow them to sit for the Viva work examination of this particular subject. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you from my end. From
Okay,
next
sir.
week, we will commence.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir, for your valuable suggestion, and we will do as you said. Okay. Or one more thing, I already described all the things, how we can conduct our labs, and already I have discussed about the syllabus of your first year basic electrical engineering lab, and in my screen you can see a Google Classroom, right? In my screen you can see the Google Classroom. So we have created a Google Classroom for yourself separately. So I just demonstrated, we have already in the previous year, in the present year, already we have created a Google Classroom. Here you can clearly see we upload we upload every lab, experiment in the Google Classroom. You can clearly see every lab which is conducted in this particular electrical machine 2501P lab. We upload all the recorded video, Zoom recorded video, lab experiment, all we are upload here, so that you guys can easily find out, easily see every experiment in our from the Google Classroom. And also you guys write every week. You can write update your lab copy from the beginning of the class. So, okay, so after the every lab you can write your lab copy. Okay, and the necessary things, all the necessary things which we will upload in the Google Classroom, like manual, like YouTube video link, everything we will upload in the Google Classroom. And also, if you guys have any doubt, then you also ask in the Google Classroom, and we will definitely answer, clear your doubt. Okay, so from uh, today or tomorrow, we will create a Google Classroom for you guys, for your for you guys, and we upload everything, lab manual or video or necessary documents in the Google Classroom. And you guys just write your lab manual from the beginning of the class. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me, or otherwise we will start our laboratory from the next day. If you guys have any doubt, then you guys can ask me. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. I think no doubt is there. You don't have any doubt. So thank you everyone. Okay, so we end the meeting here. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, please tell me. Yes, please.
You can please
Please tell your name
please
first.
send the
Please tell your name first.
Abhishek Bharti, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, Abhishek.
Myself,
Tell me.
Abhishek Bharti.
Yes, tell me.
I'm telling that please send the link of Google Classroom, sir.
Okay,
So
okay.
that we can
Definitely. Today or
join
tomorrow.
it.
Okay, today or tomorrow we will we share the Google Classroom link in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Any other
Okay,
doubt?
sir. Thank
Any
you.
other doubt?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please tell your name.
So my name is Mahima.
Okay, please Mahima tell me.
Yes, sir. Lab copy, we have to buy it.
Okay, good question. If we conduct the laboratory in the online mode, and if the college will not open till the further notification, then you will write the lab copy in the A4 size page, in the A4 size Xerox page. If the college will open, then you can took the lab copy from our administrative building, and from the college you can easily access the lab copy. Then you can write in the lab copy if the college is open in the physical mode. But till now we don't have any notification. So as till the further notification, you guys can write the lab in the A4 size page. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other doubt? If you guys have any doubt, then ask me, or otherwise, I will end this meeting here, and we will start the meeting from the. We will start the laboratory from the next day. Yes. Hello. Any doubt? Okay. So thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank